and tamper with evidence at the station.
Have you attached any evidence showing attempted interference?
But I did depound in my statement. I did depound in my statement that were interference.
We are only asking a simple question.
Yes.
You depawned because you have material that made you depawn. Have you attached those materials before the court? Is either yes or no?
No.
Thank you. Paragraph 30. What are you looking for? Paragraph 30, another reason?
Other witnesses.
Ah.
The investigation is an applicant needs to interview other witnesses, including police officers from the station. And the respondent, being a police officer, if released on bail, is very likely to interfere with and influence the witnesses.
You are saying you want to interview police officers?
Yes. And
we'll go one by one.
Okay.
The first limb is that you want to interview the police officers.
No, other witnesses.
There are other witnesses.
Yes.
And you have identified some of them are police officers.
Yes.
And confirm his rank is just a mere police constable. He has no authority over any police officer in this country.
I can't say that for sure, because what I've depointed my statement is that this thing was planned and
we have not reached there. Let us go systematic.
Yes.
I've asked a simple question that he will interfere with police officers. And I've asked you this question. The lowest rank in the police, National Police Service, is a constable. And that constable has no power over any other.
Some of my witnesses are also constables. The same rank with him. He can influence them.
He can't influence them. Have you produced any evidence to that effect?
No.
Thank you. Let's move to the next one. He says, he is likely to interfere. Have you put anything to show that?
As an attachment?
Yes.
No.
We'll be concluding that that is apprehension later. Let's move further. Look at paragraph 31.
Yes.
What are you telling the court?
That the crime was planned, executed due to the seriousness of the offense, and the completeness of the investigations will require more time to carry out investigations.
This is a very serious crime. True?
Yes.
Is there any crime that is lesser than any other crime? Under what parameter do you decide this is a serious crime, this is a light crime? Have you provided that?
The sentences imposed, that the sentences that each offense carries actually show the seriousness.
Kindly confirm that this is an offense of murder.
Yes.
Which carries what sentence?
Up to mandatory sentence of death.
You are aware murder suspects can be jailed even for 1 day?
Yes, depending on the discretion of the court. But it carries a maximum sentence of death.
Let's proceed. Paragraph 32. What are you telling the court?
Key witnesses are police officers, wielding police powers who from key persons involved are police officers, wielding police powers who have engaged in a web of complex cover-up, employing the blue codes of silence, and will require time to unravel the complex web through conduct of investigations. And if released on bail, the respondent is likely to interfere with the investigations.
You have said the police, the National Police Service, roughly has how many police officers?
I'm not sure.
Roughly.
100,000?
The whole nation.
I'm not sure.
There are more than 100,000. And you confirm that they have a blue code of silence. Read that.
I'm talking specifically about this case.
I've said.
Yes.
Look at that statement.
Key persons, you know, the word.
Just a minute.
Yes.
Because some some words are serious.
Yes.
You confirm that the police have a blue code of silence.
I'm talking about specifically on this matter. Key police are involved. That's what I'm talking about. I'm not saying the entire national police.
I'm asking.
Yes.
Because this is an affirmation.
Yes.
And it's a very serious affirmation.
Yes. When
the whole National Police Service is being said that they have a blue code.
Council, please do not mislead the court. There is no way in my amendment we have indicated the whole National Police Service.
Where is that document, that code? The blue code. Have you attached it? A code is like this criminal procedure code that exists. And that is why I'm asking a very hard question to you. You have alleged that there is a blue code of silence.
Yes.
And you have put that it is an organized offense, according to that paragraph, and all police officers have agreed to be quiet.
You are misleading the court.
Explain. You explain.
No, it's not.
I might be wrong.
Yeah, you're actually wrong, because that's not what my friend says.
Allow me to interject. I think counsel needs to focus on the paragraph in question. He has repeatedly asked the question and it has been answered. Now he is attempting to answer it, or rather to lead the witness in the manner in which he wants the witness to respond. Let him attack the paragraph specifically. The witness, the officer has stated clearly that he is specifically dealing with this case. If counsel knows of any other code, then he can do that in his submissions. But the witness has stated this specific to this particular issue. So let him avoid putting words in his.
I'm very specific to this case. I'm not talking of any other traffic offenses or sexual offenses. In this case, it is evidence that the National Police Service has taken an oath called the Blue Code of Silence.
No.
No. He has not stated anywhere.
Yes.
He has not referred to the National Police Service. Let's be clear, that is a serious assertion.
Your Honor, the paragraph starts in paragraph 32 that moreover, because key persons involved are police officers, wielding police powers, who from preliminary investigations have engaged in a web of complex cover-up, employing the Blue Code of Silence. He has started by saying it's a multiplicity of police officers wielding power, and that they are using the Blue Code of Silence. And that's what I'm putting him to task. Does he have evidence that from the Inspector General downwards, by rank and by name, anybody is doing that Blue Code of Silence? Simple.
I think that's answered the question, but
Right.
if it was not answered, it was to you. Maybe you can frame it in a different way.
I'll come back. I'll come back. Let's go to paragraph 33.
Yes, Your Honor.
What are you saying in paragraph 33?
The matter has elicited considerable public anger and outrage, as made apparent by demonstrations held over the matter. Therefore, the civic and